In this video I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your Epson XP 8700 printer. This will help you to clean the printhead in case your printhead is not working after doing the automatic printhead cleaning or the power cleaning. To start the process, first we have to unlock the printhead. For that you can give a copy command. As soon as it starts to print, we will just unplug the power cable. Now unplug it. You can push this back in. Close all these screens. Open the printer from here and we can see our printhead is there. So printhead is unlocked. Now remove all the ink cartridges. So there are 6 ink cartridges in this printer. Push it to the one side and remove this page. We are just going to use a tissue paper. Just fold it. Now place it here and move the ink chamber over the tissue. So you will see it has just reached here. Now you can just clean it from here. So that's just the dry cleaning. Now we are going to use the wet tissue. You can also use a damp cloth. So I'm just going to spray water here. So now we are going to clean it. Once it is clean, load the ink cartridges. Now close this cover. Plug in the power cable. On the main screen, click on the maintenance and we will do the printhead nozzle check and click on the print. So it's going to print the printhead nozzle sheet. Let's check the print result. After the manual printhead cleaning, the print result will display like this. So that's the nozzle check sheet. We have to fix these lines. Go to the printer control panel. On the main screen we will select this option that is like the broken printing lines. Scroll down. If your printout looks like this, then you have to select the cleaning. That is just the automatic normal cleaning. If it displays like this, that means it needs the power cleaning. So you can select the first or second option and click on the start. It's going to take around 4 minutes for the printhead to clean. Let's see the print result. So after the cleaning, we can see all the inks are working and they are clear. There is no missing line, no dots, everything is clear. That means our manual printhead cleaning has worked, and this way we can do the cleaning of clogged printhead using a damp cloth, a damp tissue. Now select the correct option and go to the home screen and we can start using our printer. Thanks for watching.